Now, in this reaction, H2S and chlorine, they are reacting to form HCl and sulfur. Now, what we have to see is, we have to see all the atoms wherever electron is getting what atom is losing electron and what atom is gaining electron. See, for hydrogen from left to right, can you see this hydrogen from left to right? Okay. So hydrogen here is also in a chemical bond, here also in a chemical bond, both will be +1. Nothing is neutral. Both hydrogens in a chemical bond will be +1 always. Okay. Then you have sulfur. Sulfur on the left hand side is in a chemical bond. It is -2. The valency of sulfur is -2. But on the right hand side is neutral. Neutral is 0. Okay. Neutral is 0. So from -2 to 0. -2 to 0. Now what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of sulfur -2? Sulfur is having 2 electrons. -2 means 2 electrons faltu, extra. 0 matlab no electron extra. Matlab in this process it has lost electrons. Lost electrons from -2 to 0. Anywhere anything is in chemical combination, you have to write valency on the top of it. Anywhere it is neutral, you will write 0. So -2 to 0, -2 matlab 2 extra electrons, 0 matlab no electrons. From -2 extra electrons to 0, it has to lose electrons. Loss of electron is known as oxidation. Loss of electron is known as oxidation. Now coming to chlorine. On the left hand side, chlorine is neutral, 0. So chlorine is neutral, 0.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑक्सीडेशन होता है ना,
तो ये लॉस हुआ ना? नहीं, लॉस इज ऑक्सीडेशन. ये LOS. LOS ऑक्सीडेशन. Now from chlorine 0 to chlorine is -1. यहाँ पे is chlorine is in chemical combination in HCl. Wherever any atom is in chemical combination, you will write the valency on the top of it. So from 0 to -1. 0 मतलब no electron. -1 मतलब 1 extra electron. From 0 to -1 is 1 extra electron, meaning gain of electron. So it is gain of electron. No, gain of electron is known as reduction. Gain of electron is known as reduction. Okay. Now anything which is losing electron, ठीक है, if I am losing electron, I am giving the electron to somebody. तो मेरे कारण दूसरे को गेन हो गया, तो मैंने काम क्या किया, दूसरे को गेन करवाया. Anything which is losing electron is making other person gain electron. तो loss of electron is known as reducing agent. Oxidation जो करता है दूसरे की reduction करता है, अपनी oxidation दूसरे की reduction. तो जो काम दूसरे पे हुआ है वो एजेंट होता है. एजेंट वो होता है जो काम दूसरे पे. इफ आई एम गेटिंग ऑक्सीडाइज्ड, आई एम रिड्यूसिंग समवन. फॉर एग्जांपल LIC एजेंट. यू नो व्हाट इज LIC पॉलिसीज? यू नो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज, यू नो. तो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी वाला अपनी इंश्योरेंस नहीं करता, दूसरे की करता है. वाई वी कॉल हिम इंश्योरेंस एजेंट? बिकॉज ही इज डूइंग पॉलिसी ऑफ समबडी एल्स. सो जो ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है, वट वर्क इट इज डूइंग ऑन सम अदर पर्सन, इट इज giving electron, it is reducing the other person. So itself it is getting oxidized and it is making other person reduce. So it is known as reducing agent. And somebody who's getting reduced is making other person oxidized, so it is oxidizing agent. Okay. So oxidation जो कर रहा है, it is reducing agent. जो reduction कर रहा है, it is oxidizing agent. उल्टा होता है ये. Anything which is doing